$100 to $1,500. I did a little digging, and that's the average price for an average drone. That's not the case here. This is not average. This is Vivitar Skyview. It's 1080p video, 4K photo drone. That's great, unbelievable specs from Vivitar, the world's #1 supplier of camera and camcorders. You're getting that at $80 off. It is a Cyber Week launch. We typically sell this in the summer. It sells out. It's a customer pick. People love it. But for the very first time ever, we're delivering it here so you can deliver it to somebody under the Christmas tree for Hanukkah. Isn't this the coolest? We've all seen this and we're like, I want that. I want it. You can have it now for $119.99, saving yourself $80. Free shipping and handling too. So no questions asked. Get it home. Try it out. If you need to return it, remember we have extended holiday returns. So you have until January 31st, 2026. We got to bring in Stephanie McKee to show us because I want to get
waiting in the
my
wings.
hands. Can I tell you, this is fun. Fun. But I do have a serious story with this. After the last hurricane, we have a neighbor that has a drone just like this. He flew it over all of our homes and he could find out who had damage on their roofs. I was so missing shingles and I would never have known.
Oh my gosh.
Because it wasn't massive.
Natural disasters.
I know.
I do think of these for nature because there are a lot of people who go on a hike and they bring their drone. This drone has a follow me feature. You are actually getting photo and video on here, 1080p video, 4K photo, and there's a 16 gigabyte micro SD card in this drone. That is not something that you see very often, especially in a drone at this price point. This is a great value. You are getting the remote. It takes 3 AAA batteries here, and you're getting an extra monitor. So if we get a little close-up of the drone, you'll be able to see the camera that's on the front. I can tilt that little camera up and down. Let me tilt it down here. Do you see it moving where it says HD? That is the camera on the front of the drone. So I am seeing from 500 feet up in the air on this little monitor. So usually when you see a drone that's so affordable, you're not seeing it from one of the top brands in the world. Vivitar, like Rebecca said, is the #1 supplier of cameras and camcorder equipment in the world. So you're getting that trusted name brand. This is a customer pick on hsn.com. So this exact drone is well loved, tons of 5-star reviews. Go read the reviews and please leave us one when you get this home. This is the gift for the holiday season.
And it's completely covered. It's not like you have to get it home and then say, oh, I need that SD card. Oh, I need the case. You're getting everything. You're seeing the drone in front of you. So much fun just to watch, but you're also getting the controller. You can see there, the monitor screen, you're also getting that. You're getting the portable drone case, the battery inside the drone, the battery inside the monitor, and that 16 gigabyte memory card. It's everything. So when you open this up and you use it, this is what everyone's going to go outside and have so much fun. Either it's the day after Hanukkah, day after Kwanzaa, the day after Christmas, the day of Christmas. This is going to be the family fun. Can I try it?
Yes. Okay. So there's 2 toggles, guys. So on this side, that's your up and down and 360 spin. So right there, if you press it to one side, you can bring the drone down, you can spin it 360. Rebecca has not tried this before. We thought we'd have time for her to test it out before the airing, but this is her first time ever doing it. So the camera's facing us. You can see us on the screen there.
Okay, I'm getting
and she's bringing it. So fun.
This is amazing. Oh my gosh.
And it's rechargeable, so there is a battery in there that's super lightweight. It is USB-C connection. So the battery in the drone, forever rechargeable. The battery, the screen, the monitor that comes with it is also rechargeable. And then you've got the AAA batteries in here. So almost no batteries to replace. You just charge up the monitor. You press the power button on your controller. You press the power button on your drone. They automatically connect and you're having fun flying.
So much fun. It's so much fun. But as you heard, unless you're just joining us, my neighbor took this out after the hurricane and went over all of our roofs and found out several of us had roof damage. We wouldn't have known that because it wasn't big enough to have the shingles everywhere, but it was enough that would have led to damage in the long run. So yeah, do you want it for fun? Are you a real estate agent?
Yes.
Do you have a business where this can help you? Think of all those fun but also useful ways, and it's from Vivitar. #1 supplier in the world when it comes to cameras and camcorders, and it's $80 off. It's a 40% savings for this Cyber Week launch. We've saved it. Today's the day. This is the last day for our Cyber Week deals, but we wanted to bring it to you during the holidays because we know this is one of those presents everybody wants. But at $200, that's a lot. How about $24 on a flex pay? What does that mean? Any major credit card. You can use the one that where you're going to get the miles or the points, HSN if you want to. You're going to put $24 down today and we send it out to you. And it will be under your Christmas tree because we have that under your Christmas tree guarantee if you order today. Get it home and have what will be it's going to be the present of the entire year.
You're going to be giddy not only when you learn a new hobby, a new skill, learn how to fly a drone, but when you take that micro SD card out of the drone and put it in your computer and see all of those photos and videos of the family vacation, of the wedding, the party. When you see them on that large screen, this is absolutely amazing. And might I add, there is a free app called LW Pro that connects to the drone automatically through the drone's own Wi-Fi network. So it's called Wi-Fi GPS. If you go into your settings and look for this drone's special Wi-Fi network, you can connect your phone to the drone and have another viewing screen. And I can't tell you how easy it is to take all of the photos and videos that little flying camera is looking at and put them on your phone. You just press one button and save it to your phone. It's so easy.
I heard you said that it has, okay, two things. GPS navigation.
Yep.
So how does that work?
There are two different modes on the remote. Over here, I have it just flying manually, but on GPS, that's going to be the better mode for outside. This is an indoor and outdoor drone. Yes,
okay.
so I would recommend this setting for indoors, GPS for outdoors, because remember, this is going 500 feet away. There's an automatic land button right here, and we're going to land it now. It's beeping because it's telling me that 17-minute battery life is wearing out. So you can automatically land it just by pressing that one button.
That's it?
I'm going to grab a little confetti because as I replace the battery, I'm going to put it in our new launch pad.
You can even show us how easy it is to do that.
Sure, yeah.
As you were watching Stephanie do this, just remember it's free shipping and handling. So if you want to get this home, try it. See how you like it. Remember, you can get it home free shipping and handling at $80 off from Vivitar. It's a brand we know and love. It's been around since what?
1938.
1938. And they specialize in cameras. They specialize in camcorders. This has 4K photo. So this isn't like 2 years ago. This is what they did, that version. This is the latest. This is 4K photo, 1080p video. And fun. Watch this.
It's
if you're
fun.
Brushing your teeth, whatever, I invite you to take a look at your screen and watch this. This is what you guys are going to be doing with all the wrapping paper. Rip it up.
Right. What I'm doing here, I'm pressing the power button on the remote, and then you press the power button on the drone, and I press the automatic go button, and you can lift it right up. So this is going to be the hit on Christmas morning. I'm going to have Max pick it up. Sorry, Max. It's like past the
you know
cameras.
what? I always am worried, am I going to ruin it?
Oh, can I tell you, Rebecca?
Please.
This exact drone, the one that I've been flying since this summer when it became a customer pick, I've accidentally run it into a wall, a brick wall, and it is completely fine.
Wow.
So Max is holding it now. I think if you put it on the floor, I might be able to get it back up in the air.
There we go.
See.
Thank you, Max. And then what I want to also tell you is, so you've got that GPS navigation, you've got the return home feature. So if it goes and you're a little worried about it, it's going to come right home to you.
That's actually very important because it can fly 500 feet in the air. You do want to know that it can return home if it needs to. So there is that one button on the remote. Now, I think this is perfect for anyone who just loves photography and getting those interesting shots. Maybe you've got a family reunion coming up and you want to get the shot of everyone. Maybe you are a homeowner and you want to check out the roof. Rebecca was saying in a storm, this came in handy, checking out the roof. I'm going to drive it.
That is
It's so
great.
close to being in front of the cameras again, but it is now behind the cameras.
And it's indoor and outdoor too, though. I think that is
indoor
really
and outdoor.
fun. So, you know, we talk about it even when you're just starting to learn, have it indoor. So you can kind of go up, kind of go down, learn how the controller works, but you're also getting the carrying case you're seeing right here. You get everything. For $80 off today. It's a Cyber Week launch. You're the first to see it ever at this price. It was a customer pick all day, every day when we had it this summer at $199.99. Today, you're getting $80 off, 40% off, plus free shipping and handling. This is the time to get it. This is the time to put it in your cart, check out. And whoever you're giving it to, maybe it's a family gift too. That's what I love. You know, I have 3 daughters. This would be one of those things where you're like, I'm not going to get one for, you don't need 3 when you're having one household. Get this for the family and have it open up. Everybody goes out and has fun.
Well, you know me, Rebecca. I was a public school teacher for 8 years. When I think about the kind of gifts that we want to give the young people in our lives, our kids, our grandkids, maybe even the nieces and nephews at such a great price point, this is STEM learning. It's going to spark their interest in science, technology, engineering, and math. They are going to have so much fun learning a new skill. It is super easy, rechargeable batteries on this, and a remote that has a monitor. You do not have to rely on your cell phone and on that app. Of course, if you want to see the drone footage on the app, you can, but you don't have to rely on it, which is very special.
Because otherwise,
for this
you're
drone.
like trying to watch this, do this.
Right.
So here, you can get that free app, and maybe you're going to go out with the family or with your grandson or son, and you're like, they're watching it from here, and you can do the controlling. Because if you can see that, the monitor is right there. It's on the actual control.
And I'll give you a good shot of the camera that's on the front of the drone because you can see it on my monitor. As I turn the camera around, it's seeing everything in our studio. So very special to have this extra monitor, especially at this price point. At the top of the screen, you can see the battery levels. You can see that the battery that I put in the drone isn't charged. It's red there. You see the little battery.
Oh, so you know right where you are in the battery life.
That's right. So then you just pop it back on the USB-C cord that we give you, and you can recharge it. We give you extra blades. We were talking earlier about the durability of this. My drone has run into walls and been perfectly okay. It is so tough and durable. So this is everything you get, including the carrying case, and the legs fold up like this. So it pops into that case really compact, and you can bring this with you when you travel. So absolute knock it out of the park gift this holiday season. Please read the reviews on hsn.com. You're going to see people having the best time with this drone. Really good value from Vivitar, one of the #1 provider, actually the #1 provider of cameras and camcorder equipment in the world.
And remember, you don't have to go out and buy something extra. It's all included.
That's right.
You see the case, of course. You see the beautiful presentation, the drone, the controller. You're also getting that 16 gigabyte memory card.
That's huge.
I love that. That's huge.
That's 10 hours of video. So maybe your daughter is an aspiring social media influencer.
Or a wedding photographer. I mean,
That's
let's
right.
just think about the different things. Real estate agents.
Yep.
Photographers, especially if you're going to go out and you do want to do that special kind of wedding where you can get that overview. Think about the different businesses where drones are coming in handy and helping them put their business above others. This is it for $119.99, under $120, free shipping and handling. Try it. Get it home, use it. Remember, you have until January 31st, 2026 to return it if you need. But I'm telling you, the moment you open it up, you're all going to have fun, and then you're going to take it and maybe use it for your business. It's one of those rare products that is as much for business as it is for fun.
Yes, it is for entertainment, but also very practical uses. If you need to check out the neighborhood, if you need to check out your house or a second property, maybe you're a nature lover and you want to take this with you to the nature preserve or on that family vacation. It's super easy to set up. You put the battery in the back, and that's USB-C rechargeable. You press the button on the drone, you press the button on the remote, and they automatically connect. This also connects to a free app, So you have the option of that second screen, which is very rare for drones, especially at this price point. If you want to get real fancy with the app, if you have someone in your life who's super techie, the app has so many capabilities. It's not connected to the drone right now, but just look at that menu there with all the different options of taking photos and videos from your drone. And it also has that automatic landing button on the app, which is handy because this soars 500 feet in the air. It is so powerful.
And it's light enough where you don't have to get special licensing, right?
So the Federal Aviation Administration requires that drones that are 0.5 pounds and up be registered. This is 0.28 pounds. So just for fun, you don't have to register. Go out there, play with this. You're going to have a blast.
Fun, 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 fun. Oh, I'm so happy we brought it for the holidays.
This is awesome.
Customer pick. Go read the reviews. You're going to see why people love it so much. Take a look at everything you're getting from Vivitar, the Skyview 1080p video and 4K photo drone. $80 off today. It's incredible. Free shipping and handling, win, win, win. Hey, would you like to take another $25 off? Super simple if you'd like to do that. Just go to hsn.com.